Hi, Eileen Veilleux, the Pam here. Welcome to another My Therabox unopening. This is the October 2020 mystery box, and let's see what we have inside. Well, the first thing that came was this with the mystery box. Let's see what it is by opening it and reading the book to see what it says it is before I open the package. This is October 2020 Cozy My Therabox subscription box. And according to this, we're going to turn, and it said it is All You Need Is Love Ombre Fringe Scarf. So we are going to open the scarf. It feels quite soft. I'm telling you, it is. It will be nice and warm. It's huge. You know, for when you're cold at night, you can just wrap it around. It's so nice and soft. A nice little thing for, sitting in front of the fire or whatever. I like this scarf. It's not wool. It feels soft, almost like cashmere. I'm not sure if it's cashmere or not. I will have to read on it. And it says, let's read a little bit about it. Nothing says cozy like being bundled up in your new favorite chunky scarf. An easy to wear look that is giving to dominate your holidays. The greatest scarf from A is made out of Luxe anti-pilling fiber blend, which is super warm and snuggly soft, and will cocoon you with the comfort as long as you have it on, which it does. It is nice and warm. I definitely love this scarf. Now, before we continue, I don't want it to get ruined, so I am going to fold it. And as you can see, it is quite big, so it will fit anybody. And I'm going to fold it and just put it there for a moment. And now we're going to see what else is in the mystery box. Okay. Well, we have a two-step jelly mask. I do like these masks, by the way. They do make your face nice and soft. I like these better than the peel-on mask. Um, if you have to put a certain amount on or it's not that well, this is nice. You have instructions on the back with step 1 and step 2. So that's nice. And then you have, I love this because I am a tea drinker. Beauty Herbal Tea. I'm going to enjoy this. It says, our beauty taste and rich ingredients that will help you clear your skin and promote positive and healthy well-being. Everything starts from within. So this taste tea is here to help you rejuvenate and bring out the best in you. It has organic sage, organic chamomile, organic rosemary, organic rosehip, peppermint leaf, nettle leaf, hibiscus flower, and jasmine. And to make it, it says you just infuse 1 teaspoon in a cup of near boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can use a strainer or a tea infuser. And they also give some tips, which is there on the back. This I am going to enjoy. I will let you know how it tastes after. And then you have To Go Clear My Head. Enhance each breath. Relief convenient roll-on for cold and allergy sufferers. Right there. And it has all the information on the back. They have a lot of good things in this box this month. And then, oh look, we have some letters. For what? I do not know yet. I will have to get my book and see what the letters are about. It goes on a felt letterboard, which I have not come to yet. You also get this natural growth hair serum that helps your hair to grow. Now remember, excuse me. Now remember, guys, you don't know if I'm going to put any of these into one of the mystery boxes. And you get a book called My Truth. There's writing tablets. That is awesome. And then we come here and we take out our letterboard. There's the front of it, guys, that these here go with. These are together. And there's the back of the board. This is an awesome, awesome box this month. It really is. I think I am going to really enjoy this box. And the last item in the box is called Center. Chamomile, neroli, and mandarin. And it is a de-stress balm. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like here. This is it out of the box, as you see. And there's your balm. Oh, and it smells good, guys. I like that. I'm going to have to figure out where to put this. This will help reset your mood. Okay, so stop and apply to your pulse point. So this balm, if you get stressed, it's something that you will put like here, 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 but mainly your wrist. Okay, you rub it on your wrist. Then you inhale deeply to reset your mood. And we all know with these trying times with everything going on, there's a lot that is very stressful. So yes, we do need things like that every once in a while to help us de-stress. So that's a nice little thing there. And that's it for the October mystery box. Now, I hope you enjoyed it. It was very fun for me to do. And stay tuned because I still have November coming up and December's. Have a great day. And remember to see with your heart and not your eyes. Love you.